Hey, hello, what's up guys, this is Vishwanathala and today let us talk about this thing which is brain and how it is being designed. Well, we know how it is being designed externally, but internal design, we are yet to find out. The scientists are working on it, and this is a small research what I had done. Um, so let's get started. So first I just want to talk about two things, which is conscious brain and the subconscious brain. But before coming to them, I just want to share that we all do follow the laws of physics, right? And physics, I strongly believe that the subconscious brain consists of each and everything. Like uh, it know about all laws of physics which are there in the whole universe, and chemistry, biology, and mathematics, each and everything. It knows about each and everything which is there, which exists in the universe, because matter cannot be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another form. Based on that, the subconscious brain consists of each and every information inside of it. And then here a question arises that then why can't we just get that information and do each and everything, like attend exams with, I mean, why, if we have that whole information, then why we need to study and so and so. Well, to be honest, we are in conscious state of brain, and there's a gap between the subconscious brain and the conscious brain, which is the conscious brain and the subconscious brain. we, there's a gap, like let me get it straight. Let's think about like language. There's a language problem between the subconscious and the conscious brain. So when the conscious brain, I mean, like if somebody says if somebody is saying something to you, so like you are in a physics class and you're listening to a lesson, and your sir would like, did you understand, which is nothing but it did your conscious brain made a deep connection to your subconscious brain. Like the conscious brain will make the subconscious brain understand that about this we are talking right now, and let us have a connection between both of us uh, on this particular topic. So it does, it happens. Well, it might be a little faster or it might be a little slow in some cases. And yeah, this is how the conscious brain and subconscious brain do work. And subconscious brain consists of each and everything. Why do I say that? Because it needs to perform various intensive algorithms all the time, because our heart needs to running, and the blood should flow all the time, and all organs should be active and each and every single second, so that we are alive. So to do all of that, our brain consists of each and every information, no matter what, in what state you are, while you are sleeping or walking or cycling or do performing any other activities. Each and everything should go smooth inside our body. So for all those reasons, what the brain does is it keeps on calculating what should do, I mean, the blood flow, the pressure inside the body, and each and everything, for the blood flow from down to the heart, from feet to the heart, uh, tackling the gravitational force of the planet, and so many factors and each other thing. And yeah, it does that. And I just want to say that human beings are nothing but computers. Well, don't get me wrong, human beings are made up of organic materials, and the computers are made up of non-living things like metals, alloys, and whatever, plastics sometimes. And yeah, we are made up of organic material, and the processing unit, the processor which is there inside the human beings, is nothing but the brain. And all the accessories like hands, legs, eyes, ears, nose, and these all are like accessories. Well, you need a monitor, you need a keyboard, you need a mouse, and any other accessories like webcam and etc. It's nothing but the human which is there in a non-living thing. Well, then you will be like, then a computer works smarter than a human. I would like to say no, because humans are none other than quantum computers, like, and these are just supercomputers what we are using. I mean, just computers and supercomputers in some labs and so and so. And we they are actually, it's like we are developing a quantum computer in something like Google or NASA. They're creating a quantum computer. No, there are trillions of quantum computers on Earth, on planet Earth right now, and there are some and new quantum computers coming. You get it. And they are not nothing but babies. So we all are quantum computers, and it's completely based on human OS. I just want to state it as human OS, which is nothing but the subconscious brain. It consists of each and everything. What you all got to do is gather information, breaking that language gap between the subconscious brain and the conscious brain, and that's it. And now let's replace this language with neural connections, right? The number of neural connections you made with that particular topic, the more intelligent you are. Intelligence is nothing but the amount of information is there in your conscious brain, conscious state of brain, and that's what defines how intelligent you are. Because each and every one is equipped with equal amounts of knowledge. I mean, equal in the sense infinity. Like, we know each and everything. Our subconscious brain consists of each and everything, but everything. Neurons, number of neurons in your brain. There's a myth which is like you only use your 10% of brain, but it's not really true that you use only 10% of brain. It depends, and this is where the evolution comes into picture. Why did I say evolution? Because it's nothing but doing an upgrade to yourself. Well, I said we use only 10% of your brain for doing other things. Actually, it's not like that, but the brain always performs some calculations, and it takes some time. That's why it may take days or weeks for getting an efficient output for the brain to so that you can perform that, what you want to perform. Like you just want to learn any sport, so the brain will first you will be doing that thing, and sometimes you will succeed in doing that in the first place, in the first attempt itself. You do so because your brain will like this is where again neural connection comes into picture. The brain will try to map the other events to the present event. It just want to combine those two things, and that's how you will achieve that thing in the first place. And you won't achieve because your brain is still working on it, how to do things and how to achieve that particular event or the thing what you're doing. So it takes some time, which is known as practice. But this term is used, which is practice, so that your brain your conscious brain will get all that information from the subconscious brain. Well, subconscious brain is something like, it's a very big thing which works each and every time. Well, conscious brain won't work sometimes. That's when you will be like imagining like deja vu or something like that. And that's all, guys. It's all about the conscious and subconscious and how the brain works. Like, have some more information how the brain works, so that, and I'll be making in 2 more videos about this thing. And in my next video I'm gonna talk about um, dumping your SIM cards. You heard it right, dumping your SIM cards, because you don't need it anymore. So let's know about that thing in next video. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and the subscribe button to never ever miss any of my updates. So thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and bye.